Hello, peoples. We're going to show you 5 ways how to make a paper airplane. Okay, go.
Now, for the original that everyone knows. Original. First, you fold it like this. Nice.
Okay, make sure they see that.
Halfway.
So it's like, just like that.
And then take the other half, opposite of it. Fold it the same way.
Just like that.
Fold it. Take this. Fold it across
Take that, fold over. Just like this.
Should look something like this. And then you would, the final step, take this. This is the simplest one. And you do this.
Can I do the next one? Can I do the next one?
And then, here you go, you got your original paper airplane. At the end, we'll test all of them. So here is number 1.
Okay, can I do the next one?
Number 1.
Okay, I'll show you the final trick. So you gotta fold your paper in half. Nice and good. So you get that good crease. Okay, see that? You're gonna unfold it. See that? And you take like right here, or fold it in just like that. So fold the other side in, just like that. Feel free to pause or rewind. Just like that. Then, go take it, fold it in like that, crease. Just like that. We'll take this, fold it down to the edge down here.
Feel free to pause the video if he gets too into it. Nice hard crease.
That's a steel airplane.
And that is your fighter jet airplane. Now for the next one. This is a good working airplane that I actually didn't come up with. So you start off with the old, kind of like the original. Across. That's not good. Have to be really good, guys.
Why don't you fold it first?
And then, if you got that.
Here, you fold it, I'll be over here.
You fold it down like that.